Okay, let's take a look at our actual Canvas class itself. If you click on courses here, it will bring up a list of your courses. You click on that, and that will bring you to our homepage. Our homepage has important information on it. It has the top 3 most recent announcements for the class. It has a to-do list here, super helpful. It tells you what assignments are coming up that you haven't turned in yet. When we actually get to the point where we have due dates and stuff that are passing, it will give you an overdue or past due kind of list here, which are assignments that are late. You can still do those. Always turn everything in. I do accept late work. And on the bottom here, it gives you kind of a quick link into the units that we're working on. And in Canvas, units are called modules. We'll get to that in a second. One very important thing is you need to click on every announcement, even if it doesn't look like it's a link, because announcements just show up this way. If you click on that thing, it opens the whole announcement and there's a lot more there. I am assuming always, if I put an announcement out, that you have clicked on it and you've read through and looked through the whole thing. Syllabus is just a kind of a different way of looking at the class calendar. You will also, in a few days, be able to download the plan for success from here. But this is just like calendar in a list view. And as I assign things and we do things together, those things will show up automatically in the syllabus. Announcements, all the announcements are here in a big list. Just the top 3 are on the home page. Modules are units, and all of our assignments, handouts, things that go with each unit will be inside of each unit, which Canvas calls a module. So modules are units. Assignments will be in the units themselves in the modules. However, you can also look at assignments in one great big view, and that will populate as we have more. You will be able to link to our class notebook. That's not set up yet, but you will have that set up within the first couple days of class. Grades, here's where you will look at your grades, including assignment grades and your overall type grades. We will do a whole separate video on that. People, here's where everybody is listed. I'm all alone right now, but you will be here soon, and I can't wait. You can click on people's names. That will take you to their profile, and depending on their settings, you can message them. You can also just message straight from inbox, remember. Discussions are very helpful. You can ask questions, you can get help, you can help each other, and you can also add discussions. Please do. We gotta talk to each other. Nobody does physics alone. So maybe you're having trouble with a problem at 2 a.m. I'm asleep, but maybe your classmates aren't. So you can add a discussion thread, problem 3 on the worksheet. Here, I don't know how to do this. And you can talk back and forth and help each other. You can set up study groups as a discussion. You can set up small groups or project groups as discussions. Please use this feature. It helps. Nobody does physics alone. We expect you to need help. I am going to need help at times. And so we want to be there for each other. And that's one way we can do that. Outcomes are the rubrics and standards that we use for grading. And we'll talk more about grading in that other video. But you can come through here and you can see basically what we're grading on. Don't worry about collaborations for now. That'll come up later. And we will be linking Canvas to your Office 365 in the first week of school so that you can access your OneDrive to save documents and upload assignments and do different things that way. And so we should only have to log you in once, but sometimes it gets cut off and we have to go back and do that again. And that is how you get around. Please click through here, explore, look at all the different kinds of links and what's there. It is the best way to learn, is to just jump in and try.